In this video, you'll learn how to unclog bathtub drain pipes. Everyone should learn the 3 methods in this video. I promise you, you'll save money and you'll get your bath draining quickly again. My first tip is to never use chemicals. I know you see a lot of videos on YouTube using chemicals, but products like liquid plumber or baking soda and vinegar are bad for your pipes. You could potentially cause your pipes to leak underneath the bathtub, and this will cost you more money than if you unclog the drain properly. So never pour chemicals down your drain. Instead, mechanically remove the clog. The first step is to remove the hair screen or the pop-up from the drain. In this bathtub, the pop-up had a decorative cover, and I removed that by turning it counterclockwise. Then I used a flathead screwdriver to remove the pop-up mechanism from the drain. You can see the hair clog was pretty big. If I can see the hair, I use pliers to remove it from the drain shoe. Needle nose pliers are really helpful for reaching down into the drain, but once all the hair is removed from the drain shoe, I recommend using a zip-it. This can reach further into the drain and remove any additional hair. Now here's the deal, if your drain is still clogged, I would recommend removing the cover plate connected to the tub overflow. For example, I fished a handheld snake down the overflow pipe, and the goal was to get down to the sanitary tee. By the way, this is the anatomy of a bathtub drain. There's a waste overflow that's connected to the sanitary tee, and the sanitary tee is then connected to the tub shoe and P-trap. Many clogs happen at the tub shoe, sanitary tee, and P-trap. My goal with the snake is to grab any hair stuck in the sanitary tee or the trap. I ran the water to see if it would drain, and sure enough, it did, like new. I hope this video helps you save time and money, and if you're doing a bathroom remodel and want more tips and tricks, visit homerepairtutor.com today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.